Hi, my name is Salman Siddiq, and in this quick tutorial, I'll be helping you with Contentful CMS installation on Cloudways Managed Hosting Platform. I'm already signed into my Cloudways account and have already launched the server, so let's jump right to it. So I have used PHP custom application for the server, and we'll be using SSH terminal for the installation. Alright, we're gonna need this sign-in credentials. Okay, username. Password. Alright, so we are through. Let's head to the public HTML folder for the installation. Alright, so we are in the public HTML folder. Now we are going to use the command for the installation. Composer require Contentful Contentful. Alright, so this is it. That's a simple installation process of Contentful CMS on Cloudways platform. I have provided a link in description to my article published on Cloudways, where I have also guided about simple integration with Contentful with PHP application on Cloudways platform. So this is it for the tutorial. Let me know if you have any query. Just type in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.